What's good, people? Welcome to Fresh Tech TV, and today I'm going to be giving you my reasoning for switching from the Phantom 4 to the DJI Mavic Air. So to give you guys some backstory, I've been using the Phantom 4 since its release a little bit over a year ago, and in most cases I've loved it. It's been a great companion and a huge upgrade from my original DJI Phantom 1. Yes, I said the original Phantom. So I've had quite a bit of experience flying drones for a while now. The original Phantom didn't have a camera. I had to get a Zenmuse 3X's gimbal and attach a GoPro to that. I believe it was the GoPro Hero 2 Silver, is the first GoPro I had on that Phantom. And there weren't all these cool features like quick shot settings and active tracking and all the sensors and spatial awareness that these new drones have nowadays. Now, although the Phantom 4 has been a great companion for music videos and other video work, I needed something that was a bit more compact, being that I'm a one-man band. I'm the only person on set filming, editing. I do everything. So I needed something that was a bit more compact that I could throw in my backpack and take around with me wherever. Now, my initial thought was to get the Mavic Pro, being that it was much smaller than my Phantom 4. Also, it could be folded up and thrown in a backpack. But I knew something was on the horizon because DJI doesn't take too long between their product launches, and I knew something smaller or even better was going to be coming out soon. Fun fact, I'm actually able to get the Mavic Air for about 35% off, so going this route is actually costing me a little bit more. But I think the video footage looks a bit better on the Mavic Air, has a higher bitrate, and I'm able to push the color a little bit further in post. So getting into why I'm switching from the Phantom 4 to the Mavic Air, the absolute #1 reason is the fact that it's a bit more compact. The difference in size is night and day. Once again, I'm a one-man band. When I go on set to film a music video, it's just me. I'm the drone operator, the camera guy, the director, the DP, the director of photography, the editor. When I get home, I do everything on my own. And having the ability to not carry around an extra bag or an extra case and reduce my workload is invaluable, especially considering that oftentimes I'm kind of guerrilla style shooting, so I need to be able to run and gun, and carrying around an extra case on top of my backpack and on top of any lighting equipment that I may have with me is a burden. Another benefit to the reduced size of a Mavic Air is the fact that it's a bit more ideal for capturing indoor footage. Now, of course, the Phantom 4 can be used for indoor footage as well, but the Mavic Air has a couple more sensors, giving it a little bit better spatial awareness, and of course it isn't as loud and large. And the second reason is the higher bitrate for video recording. Being able to push that footage and post a little bit further with color correcting and LUTs goes a long way for me. Now to talk about the cons of switching from the Phantom 4 to the Mavic Air. Now, of course, the sensor size is a bit smaller on the Mavic Air, and it doesn't let in as much light, so low light performance is going to take a hit. Now, for me personally, I normally either film in the daytime or I actually control my lighting on set, so I don't really have to worry about the reduced low light performance. With my brief usage with the Mavic Air, I would say that it's definitely worth the buy for someone like me. If you're like me, you're a one-man band, you're on the go a lot, you want something small, compact, but still powerful, the Mavic Air is your best option right now. I say for now because DJI is always evolving their product line. I feel like they release at least 2 to 3 drones a year, so there's most likely going to be a Mavic Air Pro hybrid coming here pretty soon within the year. But right now, I'd say the Mavic Air is definitely your best buy. This by no means is a full review or in-depth review. I've been using drones for quite a while now. I feel like the level of quality has kind of hit a cap when it comes down to aerial footage with drones, unless you're going to be attaching your DSLR to it and it's an octocopter. You're pretty much going to get the same level of quality across all these drones. The added quick shots are pretty cool, like Meteor and Asteroid and Satellite, but they're all kind of gimmicky, and I really only see myself using 1 or 2 of them. If you guys like this video and you want to see many more like it, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for future content. Until next time, it's been a pleasure. Stay fresh. Peace.